Welcome back to our channel. Today we're opening Pooey Puitton a bag. So let's open it. Before we get started, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go and hit it. Give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Okay, let's open it. Uh-oh. Sorry about that sound, guys. Let's open this. Cut it. Really good. Oh no. Uh-oh. I need stronger scissors. Let's try this one. Please. So our mom helped us open it because it's kind of a little tricky. So let's open it. It's tape. There's tape. Wait, there's tape. Yeah. So let's take off the tape, guys. That's easy part for us. That's it. Oh, it's on this side. So let's wait. First, look at her tattoos. They're so pretty. She has glittery eyelashes. So let's open it. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna get. So these are all the things it comes with. So this is slime powder. This is scents. This is the exclusive character. This is the bottle. This is a little container, so for water. This is the glitter and the metallics. Here's some more of those, and here's some more bottles. They're just like this. Here's a little thing, a little notebook, so you can make slime. Here's some unicorn crunch.
To make crunchy slime?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
And
packaging.
Yeah, cool. And here's some containers and to store your slime.
Okay, so let's make some slime.
So I'm going to get. So here's you're gonna need a cup. This cup. You're gonna need the little cup. You're gonna need a powder. You're gonna need a scent. You're gonna need some water so you can pour it into here. I chose some glitter and some shimmer. You're gonna need a spatula and maybe some scissors for this.
Okay, and all of this is included except for the water, so that's cool. So we're gonna make the shimmer unicorn.
So let's open the cap. So I'm gonna use this and up to this line, if you guys can see.
And you need to do that 2 times. So you need add 30 milliliters of water to your bottle and measure.
Here's the first one. And here's the second.
Then you need 2. And then you need to add, add 5 drops of mystery scent. So we don't know what it is. What does it smell like?
You smell it. It smells like roses.
Okay, so 5 of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 4, 5. Okay,
and then after that, what are you going to do?
Now I just need to add the powder. So let's add
I think you need to close it and shake it for a minute, no?
No, I need to add the powder first.
Okay, add the powder.
So let's add it. I picked this turquoise color, if you guys...
3. So that's the unicorn food. Sorry about that.
Let's add the whole thing.
And then after that, you need to... What do you need to do after that?
You need to shake it up.
Shake it for 1 minute. So we're going to shake for 1 minute. Give it a good shaky. And then we'll do this for a minute and come back. So I shaked in it for 1 minute. Now I just need to let it sit for 10 minutes. So we'll be back. So the timer just rang and whoa. Ew, it's so sticky. So let's just take this out. Ew. It's so sticky. Oh. Look at it, guys. Ew. It's so hard to take out. This one's sticky and everywhere. Oh my gosh. No. Ew, it's so sticky. Oh my gosh. You have to knead it, don't you?
Oh my.
It smells really good, though.
Yes, but I feel like this is a fail. Okay, let's try this again.
Smells really good. I like the scent.
It smells like flowers.
Okay, so you're gonna need it for right now because that's what you would do anyways with a slime and see if it works. Hopefully it's not a fail. Ooh.
Come on, get off my hands.
Is that all that's in there? You need help scooping it out.
I need help to do
Okay, let me help you. Go.
So I'm gonna pour my water. One.
It's sticky.
I'm kneading it in the background.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
So it says that you can leave it for 10 minutes longer. Hers is really sticky.
I don't get it.
Maybe
Why
we
is
can
it
leave it.
sticky?
It smells really good. And then you're gonna add your.
It smells like a flower in the house.
What are you gonna add?
And you guys, comment down below what other videos should we do, like use a Barbie doll as it to make slime, or Emily makes a slime like behind me, like she's behind me and this is not my real hands.
Oh, like a challenge.
Yeah, and then one day I can do it.
And then you're gonna add 5 cents. Emily, mystery scent. So pick a scent and add 5 drops. Did you add the whole thing?
I added the whole thing as well.
So this is really cool, guys, because you can take this on the go, and it comes with little containers. It
Yeah,
comes
like when you're going on vacation.
3 of these containers.
Like when you're on the go and you like need to go to like a place. This is
like,
really hard. And you
5?
And you
You
can't.
did 5?
You guys.
1, 2,
I think you already did okay, that's good.
4.
That's good.
I look like I'm a. Wait, I look like I'm a. I look like I'm a frog.
Okay, one more, baby.
I look like I'm a frog, guys.
Okay, and then you're gonna shake that for 1 minute.
Shake it, Emily.
Okay, so close the lid. Make sure you close it nice and tight.
Shake it really good, Emily. Emily wanted.
Mama, it's hard.
Oh, okay, let me help you. So she's gonna shake it for 1 minute, and then we're gonna come back with her. While we do that, Esme's gonna wait. Esme's gonna add her. What are you adding, Esme? What's this?
Unicorn shimmer.
Can I see it? Turn it around. Unicorn magic, actually. It's shimmer. Yeah, she knows more than me.
Whoa, that's.
Whoa.
It just flew on the table. Whoa.
Yeah.
Let's knead this, guys. Whoa, it's making it not sticky anymore.
Ooh, maybe that's what
Oh,
you need.
no, it's making it sticky.
Okay.
Ooh, it's like a
And
look
then
at it, guys.
you gotta shake it for 9 more seconds. Then the timer's
Look,
gonna be.
guys. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty.
Okay, you're done. That's the timer. And then let it stand for 10 minutes while Esme makes her that.
I changed my mind.
It's fine.
Look, get it up.
There's so many options. She switched her mind. She wanted to do a crunchy one, but then you're gonna do something else, huh? Okay.
I want to save those.
And then what are you adding now?
Some glitter.
Ooh, some glitter makes
Ooh,
everything better.
stars! Like my little sister.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if
That's
mine.
so cool.
There's hearts too in this one, in the pink one.
Oh,
There could be hearts, but I think I got the star.
You know what? This looks like a winter one. That is so cool.
And maybe I'm gonna do some crunch.
That is so cool.
Wow. So guys, it's not sticky to me anymore. It's so beautiful. Look at it.
3.
Look at that. Oozing. I'm a slime monster. Let it ooze down in there. Put it in that container. Oh, it didn't. Get off my fingers because you're still a little sticky. Okay, first let's scoop it like that. Whoa, guys, that's crazy. Let's put it in here now. Scoop it out. Scoop it out. Get
Maybe
it.
use a spoon.
Yeah. Emily, can I have the spoon, please? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Put it in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is working, actually. Look, get that out. I want all the slime in there. Ew.
Some slime is coming off.
Slime come off. slime come off. Let's try this wet method. Oh, yes, come on. Come off. Okay, let me just dab at it so I can get it off. Oh, that worked. Dab at it.
So we're definitely going to be trying different ones in different videos. So make sure if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Oh, what's this?
2019.
And then they said that you can put some slime in there. So we'll definitely do this for the next video. Like I said, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Comment down below what color should we do, what scent should we try. Well, they're all mystery, so we'll figure that out.
You guys comment down below what slime should we do, like what colors. So let's show you guys the colors so you guys can, and like put it in the comments what slime should I do. But me and put Emily's slime together. Like if you guys know what slime should me and Emily do, you guys just put it in the same comments.
Oh, we got 2 minutes on the timer, almost ready.
Guess what? I got it off my fingers, so let's put it in.
Oh, perfect. And then you can close it and play with it when you want to, right?
Yeah.
1 more minute.
Okay.
Let's play with it, guys. Let's show you guys how it plays.
Ooh, look at that. I like the color.
It reminds me of my sister because her name is Estrella. I actually think this is gonna make fart noises if I do it. Hey, wait, one more thing, guys. Look. Good drinks. I'm famous.
Oh, thank you. My pretty drink. Oh, I
love you. Now come more tears.
I'm so thirsty.
Hey, you want some slime?
No. Yeah, gross. I don't eat slime. I just drink. I drink rainbow drinks. No, I like that slime.
Unless you put it in a container and then she turns slime.
Okay, Emily, looks like we're down to the minute.
So let's open it and check.
No, not yet. We definitely want to wait the 10 minutes. It says that you should wait 10 minutes
You guys,
or until the slime reaches the desired consistency.
Look, guys, let's see. You guys, while we wait, look, guess what? Make a slime burrito.
Ooh, yummy burrito.
Oh, but
Add more.
cover you in slime.
No, don't cover me on my poop.
Let me see if I have my
Don't cover me, I'm a poop.
Don't cover me. I'm a poopy girl.
Look at.
And I have a 2019 glasses. Did you do? Yeah.
Let's add some more because it's still small.
Ah, perfect.
Don't you like my glitter, girl?
No. It's dirty everywhere on the floor.
How dare you?
But I like this drink.
It's so shiny and shimmery. I
like this drink. It's so good.
like this.
Oh, I need a scooper to scoop it.
And shout outs. We're gonna do shout outs soon, guys. If you want a shout out, you guys just have to subscribe and comment down below.
Okay, looks like we're ready to do yours.
Let's check it, Emily. Let's look at it. Yours.
Oh,
it's yours. I think use a spoon like I did.
wait. I think it's not sticky.
Hopefully, right? Yours is not sticky.
So easy. Love it squishy.
Okay, now you're gonna add your
Yes, it's not squishy.
Okay, go ahead and add your slime
Wait,
to
can I
it.
see?
It's not sticky.
Ew, yours are weird. Mine's like a Pokeball.
Okay, now let me help
Okay, I
you.
need a plate.
So I'm gonna put unicorn powder.
The unicorn magic and the unicorn sparkles. Like I did. But mine's different, hopefully. Well, let me help you hold it?
No.
Okay. Whoa, hers is like the same thing as mine, but just like maybe hers is gonna be a lighter pink.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Because hers is like a kind of a hot pink kind of. This would be so nice, slime.
Okay.
Now the poop. Look, guys.
And then you're gonna add
Which
your
would you
other
like
back
better? The poop? Wait.
Oh,
Charmity.
What are you doing?
See? That's 2019.
2019. Ooh, it's a shimmery.
Are you gonna add your
Whoa, too much shimmer.
Sorry.
Are you gonna add your? You can never have enough shimmer
You can never have too much shimmer.
or too much glitter. Now you're gonna add. Oh my God!
What?
Yes.
What the heck?
Yes.
That That one's different. Mine
And then it matches.
wow, she looks like she's like a disco glitter.
Yes.
Guys, look what I'm gonna do.
Dip, 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 dip. No, Asma, don't do that.
What are you doing?
She's putting it on.
She's pooping.
So how's your slime coming out?
Good. It's not even sticky.
Okay.
Let's. Oops.
So it looks like that, and it's a.
And look, she's gonna get covered, guys. Look.
Oh no!
Okay, you wanna go for yours?
So it makes really good slime.
Oh no! I look ugly with this
guys,
pink.
guess what? Pooey Puitton is the best maker of slime. Whoever makes Tahani and Michael, Michelle and Chloe, good job for making these because they're really. You guys are really cool because you guys make like slime and stuff. You guys show out like other stuff and stuff.
Okay. So what do you guys say?
Bye! Like our slime video.
Thanks for
Watching.
watching.
Bye!